If your iPhone isn't connecting to the internet using cellular data, you're not alone. This can be really annoying, especially when you need to access the web while you're out and about. The issue might be caused by settings, network problems, or even glitch in the software. But don't stress. This guide will walk you through some simple steps to get your mobile data back up and running. Let's dive into the solutions. Solution 1. Restart your mobile data with airplane mode. This quick trick can reset your mobile connection. First, open settings on your iPhone. Toggle airplane mode on. Wait for a few seconds. Turn it off again. This will reset your mobile data connection. After that, check to see if your cellular data is working. Solution 2. Turn network selection off and on. Refreshing your network selection might do the trick. Open settings on your iPhone. Tap Cellular. Tap Network Selection and toggle it off. Select your carrier manually. Wait a moment, then toggle it back on. After that, go back and tap on Mobile Data Network. Tap Reset Settings to help solve the mobile data issue. Then, scroll down to find the apps that can't use mobile data. Make sure those apps are turned on here. If they're already on, try turning them off and then back on again. Solution 3. Enable 4G or 5G on your iPhone. Make sure 4G or 5G is enabled if your iPhone supports it. Open settings on your iPhone. Tap Cellular. Tap Cellular Data Options. Select Voice and Data, then choose 4G or 5G Auto. After that, your iPhone will use the best available network. Solution 4. Update Career Settings. Updating your career settings can improve your connection. Open settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Tap About. If an update is available, you'll see a prompt. Follow the instructions to update your career settings. Solution 5. Reset Network Settings. Resetting your network settings can clear up any misconfigurations. Open settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then select Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings and confirm. Note, this will erase all saved Wi-Fi passwords. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of your iPhone not connecting to the internet via cellular data. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.